These are the WORKPRO 6-inch pruning shears. These are the microtip style for when you need to get in close and make precision cuts. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. They arrived safe, wrapped in plastic, nice little box. The blades came with oil on them to protect them from corrosion. It's cool that they thought of doing that. I've been using it for a little while here, so their oil's not on there anymore, but it was. They're made of a high-treated carbon steel, and even though it's early spring here, I gave them a spin around the yard. They came sharp, the cuts were clean, and these are going to be perfect for maintaining my tomatoes in a few months. They feel great in my hand. They're super lightweight. The grip is soft. It's kind of a rubber material, so it's easy to grip and hold on to. I have some other issues right here, and these don't aggravate that at all, which I like. I like that they're spring-loaded too, and they pop back after every cut. See how far down we can go on this guy before it gets too hard. Like I said, these are for smaller cuts, not for pruning anything that gets too large. I'm getting into too large territory here, but on the small stuff, it works great. Just chops it right off. Super sharp. They have a safety lock to keep them closed. It's in a position where it's easier for me to open them or close them with one hand. When the blades are closed, it makes it easier to store away in a bag. These switches on almost everything I have are always the weak point, so we'll have to see how this one holds up. So smaller pruners like these that make precision cuts, you can get right in there, get up close. These are great for like roses, maybe smaller fruit trees, veggies obviously, bonsais if you had a bonsai plant, obviously for flowers and smaller things like herbs. You can see the cuts, just cuts right through it and springs back. And I'm going to use these to keep my tomato plants maintained and in shape this year. Very nice.